Hello everyone. I think in last video there was no volume. Something happened in my system and I didn't verify it. So no issue. Mm, I will just repeat what I told in that video. Uh, so stocks are MFSL. Like you can buy this about 954 and SL is you can keep 930. This is MIS is allowed here, but if you want, you can buy in cash also because I don't know how will be the volume and spread in this stock. Uh, then we have Bajaj Finserv. It is also consolidating in a range, so you can buy above 11,300, and if you are a risky trader, you can buy above 11,250 also. Then we have Mindacor. Mindacor actually has given breakout here, so you can buy above 1111. But in this also prefer buying in cash. Don't buy too much quantity. Then we have Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, you have to buy above this 3990 or 4000. And we have KSB. KSB, you can buy above 950. This is also listed in MIS, but it is a cash stock, so prefer buying in cash or you check or cross verify spread. Then we have Intellect Design, which we have to buy above 807. Then we have Motilal Oswal. Okay, Motilal Oswal, it is CMP. Today it has given good breakout, so I don't know tomorrow it will trigger or not. We have to buy all this 740 and we can buy this for swing. This is a good setup for swing. Or you can buy on pullback also. If it gives pullback, but better is this 750 range if it breaks. And we have IIFL Security, which you can buy in swing. Plus in intraday also you can buy up 64.20. Then we have Guj Alkali, which after a big move like this range breakout, it is in consolidation. So you can buy this above 445. This okay, this 445, and here you can keep your stop loss 436. Then we have UTI AMC. UTI AMC has given breakout, did pull back. Now if again breaks high, we can buy out 650. And this is a good stock for positional as well. So you can, if you want to buy in position or holding purpose, also this is good. You can buy. Then we have fluorochem. I don't know it will trigger or not, but if it crosses this 844 level, we can buy this. This is also similar to Booz Alkali, given big move, and now it is consolidating. Then we have Thermex. Thermex is also given breakout, and here it is consolidating. We can buy about 1546. Then we have Cancon. Cancon, this reason it is actually consolidating, we can buy this in swing or positional above 440, 470. So actually, I don't know on, I have listed it around here, but not on channel. So now if it breaks this 470, you can buy and swing. For intraday also, this is good level. But if you want to take risk, you can buy around 458 or 460 also. You can try. But the best will be above 470. You can buy and carry. Then Suven Pharma in cash stocks, it is consolidating. Buy above 560. And Universal Cables, this is also has given a range breakout. So we have two, three range breakouts. Which one was that? Kind of Motilal, Opus, and Camcordia. Two of them. So this we can buy over 168 in cash, and we can carry if it breaks this 176, you can value more on next resistance around 180, 188. Then we have Cybertech. This has also given a range breakout. We can buy over 153 or 50. That's it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.